How to back up your Exodus wallet by using only a pen and a paper, well, preferably a clean paper. Being able to recover your Exodus wallet from anywhere in the world, whether you've lost your computer, whether your phone was stolen, whether you don't have anything anymore, as long as you have this, you can get access to all of your funds that are stored in Exodus. So let me show you how. First of all, open Exodus like this. Then you want to type your password and it will bring you to the home page over here. Now, you will note that on this side over here on the right, it says restore from backup. Now hold on, whoa. We're going to get to that a bit later. What I want to show you is what you need to be able to restore everything from backup. Now what you want to do is come up all the way to the right where it says settings. Click on settings and it says backup complete. But wait, scroll a bit down. You want your recovery phrase. Here you want to say you want to view your recovery phrase, and it will tell you to keep it safe, because if anybody has this keyword, they can reinstate your wallet on any other computer, which means you can have your wallet on 100 computers if you want. As long as they have the 12-word recovery phrase that we're about to look at, they can instate your wallet on that specific device. So keep this safe. That's what I'm trying to say. Anyway, over here, we're going to say, view the secret phrase. Enter your password again, and then you say that. And it will bring you to a page that looks like this. It says your secret phrase. Now, what I've prepared on the page over here, if you can see that, I wrote 12-word key phrase. Okay, so I would literally go to number 1 and I would write orchard. Now keep in mind that this phrase is different for each and every wallet. So this is mine, okay? I don't really use this specific wallet because I'm showing you everything in this specific wallet. But anyway, so I would write orchard, C-H-A-R-D. Then I would go to number 2. I would write negative. Make sure you spell it correctly. And then number 3 is only. And you get the idea. I'm going to speed it up from here. I'm going to do the rest. And right there, I have my entire key phrase written down, which I'm now gonna keep in a safe place. Then it will ask me some questions. Let's see if I'm saying done. Check your paper backup. It will say, which word is the second word of your secret phrase? My second word is negative. So I'm gonna click on that and I'm gonna say done. And it will say your backup is complete, which means you can go to any computer that has Exodus installed and you can literally revive your wallet on that computer. Let me show you how. Okay, so if I go back to the home page of Exodus, like I said in the beginning, it says restore from backup. Now we will click right there and Exodus will restart. You can click on restart and guess what? It will ask you to type your 12-word phrase. Type your 12 words that you just got from the previous one and the entire wallet is set up and ready to go on any other device anywhere in the world. That's why this is such an important thing to remember. Thank you guys for watching. Like this video, subscribe, and I'll see you on this video right here.